How to tag someone in an Instagram post after posting it. In order to tag someone in an Instagram post after you've already made the post. So you forgot to tag, let's say, one person. Now you've already made the post and you're wondering if you can tag. Well, the answer is yes, you can absolutely do that. So what you have to do is just tap on the three dots icon next to that post. Then you'll find various options here. Go to edit. From edit, you can see this tag option over here, which is this person like icon. Just tap on it, and you can also add a collaborator, or you can just tag it. So you can tap on any part of this photo to tag someone like this. And now you can simply search for the user you want to tag. And once you've done that, you can just tag yourself for anybody and hit the arrow button, and you've successfully tagged someone even after making the Instagram post. So now if I just go to that post again, I tap on that particular area, you should be able to see that person has been tagged. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.